Select all of these and go right click and then go consolidate time to new scene. If I go back over here, you'll see now it is created a new scene. And for example, what I might want to do is I might want to map my delay to map macro 1, and I also might want to map my reverb amount to macro 1. Or if I can click on it and it will select that section, Command L. And it'll cycle across there. Now, if I want to zoom into this section, I can hit Z. Let's show you some of these. So if I draw in a few notes like this, if I go select them all, Command A, and go legato is one that I use a lot. It will extend each note to the next one. Click this one. So notice now how it says EQ8, frequency 1. That was that parameter. If I now just click on this one, you'll notice now it's flipped to resonance A. So it's this dial here. And I've got a new red line come up. So what I can do is I can select along the automation line, below or above, make sure it's all selected, and then I can drag that across to, so if I go Command Shift and delete, it's going to completely remove that section. It's going to bring everything back over there. So that's another little